Modern Age MCQs, Physics Class First Year, Unit Number 3, Motion and Force, Part Number 4. A ball of mass 500 gram is thrown vertically upward with the velocity of 4.9 meter per second. If it takes 10 seconds to reach the height of 588 meter, then the acceleration of the ball is option A plus 500 meter per second, B minus 100 meters per second, C plus 10 meters per second, D minus 9.8 meters per second. The key is minus 9.8 meters per second. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the upward motion of a ball of mass 500 gram is under the action of gravity, which is vertically downward. The ball is decelerating, therefore its acceleration is negative, that is A is equal to minus G is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second. Hence, the acceleration of ball is minus 9.8 meter per second. On an air-free planet, a projectile takes t by 2 seconds to return to its starting position. After reaching to a height of h meter, it falls with acceleration of option A 8h divided by t square meter per second. Option B is equal to 6h divided by t square meter per second. Option C is equal to 4h divided by t square meter per second. Option D is equal to 2h divided by t square meter per second. The key is is equal to 8h divided by t square meters per second. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: formula x is equal to VIT plus 1 by 2 AT square. In this case, VI is equal to 0, x is equal to h meter, and t is equal to capital T divided by 2. Therefore, h is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2a into t divided by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 8at square, or a is equal to 8h divided by t square meter per second. Hence, the projectile falls with acceleration a is equal to 8h divided by t square meter per second. On an air-free planet, a projectile takes 12 seconds to return to its starting position. After reaching to a height of 180 meter, it falls with acceleration of option A 10 meter per second, B 12 meter per second, C 18 meter per second, D 27 meter per second. The key is 10 meter per second. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: formula x is equal to VIT plus 1 by 2 AT square. In this case, VI is equal to 0, x is equal to 180 meter, and T is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 seconds, because airborne time of projectile is 12 seconds. Therefore, 180 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2a. 6 whole square, or a is equal to 2 into 180 divided by 36, which is equal to 10 meter per second. Hence, the acceleration of projectile is 10 meter per second. A ball of mass m kilogram takes a time of t seconds to strike the ground from the top of a building. What is the velocity of ball with which it strikes the ground? Option A 2 gt meter per second, B gt meter per second, C 0.8 gt meter per second, D 0.5 gt meter per second. The key is gt meter per second. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason, formula, Vf is equal to Vi plus Gt. In this case, Vi is equal to 0. Therefore, Vf is equal to 0 plus Gt, which is equal to Gt, or Vf is equal to Gt. Hence, the ball strikes with the ground with the gt meters per seconds. A ball of mass 1 kg takes a time of 5 seconds to strike the ground from a window of second floor. What will be the velocity of ball when it strikes the ground? Option A 150 meter per second, option B 99 meter per second, option C 49 meter per second, option D 27 meter per second. Therefore, the key is 49 meter per second, or the correct option is C. The reason, formula, Vf is equal to Vi plus Gt. In this case, Vi is equal to 0 and t is equal to 5 seconds. Therefore, Vf is equal to 0 plus Gt is equal to Gtr. Vf is equal to G into T, which is equal to 9.8 into 5, which is equal to 49 meters per second. Hence, the ball strikes the ground with 49 meters per second. A man throws a tennis ball vertically upward in a compartment of a train moving with uniform velocity. The ball will fall, option A, in front of him, option B, in his hand, option C, behind him, option D, beside him. The key is in his hand. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason, in a compartment of a train moving with uniform velocity, the man and ball are at rest with respect to the train. Therefore, the ball will fall in the hand of the man, or the horizontal velocity of man, ball and train is same. The ball will travel same horizontal distance in its parabolic motion as the man. Hence, it will fall in the hand of the man. Two bodies are dropped from heights. H1 is equal to 100 meter and H2 is equal to 50 meter. If T1 and T2 are their respective times of fall, then the relation between them will be option A, T1 is equal to 0.707 T2, B, T2 is equal to 0.707 T1, C, T1 is equal to 0.5 T2, D, T2 is equal to 0.5 T1. The key is T2 is equal to 0.70 T1. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason, formula, it is equal to Vit plus 1 by 2 gt square, or h is equal to 0 because the initial velocity is 0. H is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 gt square, or h is equal to 1 by 2 gt square, or h is equal to 0.5 gt square. Therefore, for H1 100 and for H2 50. 100 divided by 50 is equal to 0.5 GT1 square divided by 0.5 GT2 square, or 2 by 1 is equal to T1 square divided by T2 square, or T1 over T2 is equal to 2 square root divided by 1 by taking the square root on both sides. Or we can write this as T2 divided by T1 is equal to 1 by 2 square root, or T2 is equal to 1 by 2 square root T1, which is equal to 0.707 T1. Hence, the relation is T2 is equal to 0.707 T1. Two bodies are dropped from heights 100 meter and 50 meter. The ratio of the times taken by them to reach the ground will be A. 1 to 1, B. 2 to 1, C. 2 square root to 1, D. 1 to 2 square root. The key is 2 square root to 1. The correct option is C. Reason. Formula H is equal to VIT plus 1 by 2 GT square, or H is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 GT square because VI is 0, or H is equal to 1 by 2 GT square, or H is equal to 0.5 GT square. Therefore, 100 divided by 50 is equal to 0.5 GT1 square divided by 0.5 G 2 square, or 2 by 1 is equal to T1 square or T2 square. Now taking the square root on both sides, T1 or T2 is equal to 2 square root divided by 1. The ratio is T1 to T2 equal to 2 square root to 1. Hence, the ratio of the times taken by the bodies to reach the ground is 2 square root to 1.